Hi everybody, Ellen here coming to you from my kitchen. I have here the Veggie Spiralizer and it is set for the spaghetti-like noodle. So what I'm going to do is raise the lever here. I'm taking potatoes and I'm just going to insert it right in the middle. Lower the handle, give it a little push here, stabilizing it, and right from the chute is where your food should be coming out. So let's give it a whirl. And this is the spaghetti-like setting. For those of you that like to make, linguine or anything like that, this, or angel hair pasta, this is the result that you're getting right here. Okay, let me see if I can bring it closer to you. Right here. And this is the result that you get. So this again is on the is on the spaghetti-like setting. Okay, so that's that one. I'm going to lift this up, remove this part, because I would like to switch it out and show you the next setting. And all I do is I loosen the knob here. I'm going to remove the key, which looks like this. I'm going to give it a rinse because I don't want anything coming in between the blade or anything. In fact, I'm going to remove the bottom and rinse this off too. That's a good tip to remember when you're using your spiralizer. Always clean off the surface before you switch the settings, okay? Just because sometimes products can be really temperamental and, sometimes they don't like to share. So clean it good. Make sure it's ready for the next fitting. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this over, and this is the wider teeth comb, and this will give you fettuccine-like. So just recently we just did the spaghetti-like. Now we're going to flip it over. We're going to insert it from at the back, okay, of the Veggie Spiralizer. It goes right in here. Let's try that again. Take this guard and we're going to put it back on here, okay? When you put the guard in, it actually helps you when you have to insert the key here. So I'm going to insert it, and then you're going to twist the knob so that it stays in place, okay? Okay, now lift the handle up, remove the guard, and you're ready to go. So now we're going to do the fettuccine-like noodle. And with that, I'm gonna take another section of my potato, lower this down, and wherever the food chute is, right there, you'll see it come out. This is the fettuccine-like noodle. This is my favorite setting right here, okay? Okay, let me get another board out for you so you can see the fettuccine-like, okay? So, right in front, there, you can see fettuccine, okay? All right, so I'm going to place that on the side. I'm going to remove this, and of course when you're using this, you go all the way. Now there is going to be like a little bit left over, and it's probably going to look like this. That's the part I call the coin. Always check on the bottom of this because it always gets stuck right there, or it's left behind because it doesn't go any further than that. So, just remove it. I am going to take the base off. Give it a good rinse. Remember, you want a clean start when you actually set it up for the next one. The key is still in there. So let's go ahead and remove the key because the third setting is the ribbon-like, which is really already attached to the base. So let me go ahead and remove the key that's already in there. Okay, rinse this off. Set this aside because we don't need it anymore. Now go ahead and take the guard out. But I'm going to rinse this off, okay? Because I want the surface to be nice and clean. Okay, ready to go. Line the Veggie Spiralizer. There's an arrow right here, and there's an arrow on the bottom. Line them both up together, and you're good to go. Clean my surface here. Get ready for the third setting, which is the ribbon-like. I'm going to insert another section of a potato. Put it in here. Lower. Apply some pressure. And now you're going to spin. Okay, so with potatoes, I will tell you, sometimes it connects and sometimes it doesn't. But when you do like zucchini and squash, they actually stay connected. Okay, so this is the third setting right here. This is the ribbon-like setting. And for me, I use this setting like when I'm going to use scalloped. When I make scalloped potatoes or any kind of casserole, I like using this setting, okay? Rather than just taking my knife and chopping it or slicing it that way, I put it in the spiralizer because I know for sure when I put it in a spiralizer, it comes out the same width and same size and everything, and it's pretty, okay? So there we have it, the 3 sizes. It is completely dishwasher safe, okay? Let me go ahead and remove this. There we go. So you can go ahead and dismantle it for the dishwasher. And when you do that, this is how you do it. You take the guard, set it inside, okay? Then go counterclockwise on the handle. This will come out. Take out the prong right here and your safety guard. Disconnect the base. Put it all inside the dishwasher, and you're good to go. Sometimes people will ask, well, what happens if you get a food and it kind of gets lodged in here and under here? This is the tool I use. This is called the cake tester and releaser tool. In all the little tiny places, I use this, and then other places, I'll use this part. So there you have it. This is the Veggie Spiralizer. It's a power tool in my kitchen. It gives me variety, especially when I'm trying to make pasta and I don't want to use egg or wheat noodles. So hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.